Okay, so we have the Czech version of this interesting pool. So when it's a compound shape like this, where you have clearly multiple parts of shapes that make one, obviously there's no formula and you have to kind of just split it into pieces. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the volume of the pool. To do this, I'm gonna go ahead and break it up into parts. So I'm going to first do this chunk here. So that is a rectangular prism. So to do the volume of a rectangular prism, it is length times width times height. So length is 6 times width, which is 5. Well, that's the height. That doesn't really matter. Width is 15. Height is 5. Okay? Or the depth, because we're talking about a pool. And I'll get a calculation for that one. I'm going to go ahead and calculate all at once. So I'm going to go ahead and do another part. I'm going to do the deep end now. So I'm going to do this little section. This one. So same thing, length times width times height. So I got 10 times 15. This is 15 back here. Okay. So same thing with going across. This was 10. So 10 times 15 times 12 will be the blue section. Okay, I'm gonna have to break this next part up into two pieces. Let's go green. So this one, I have another part. Oh, I could have gone all the way across, I guess. But that's okay. We'll do it in multiple pieces. Let's do this green part. This is another rectangular prism going all the way back. So I'll have going length times width times height. So my length is 15. 15. My width is something that I do not know. However, I know that going all the way across the pool is 23, and I've already used 16 of it. So that means I have, how much is that? 7 left over, I think. Is that right? Yeah, so 7. So my width is 7, and my height or my depth is still 5. Okay, so there's that other section. And then I need one more. I need this triangle at the bottom, going all the way back. Okay, so my triangle for a triangular prism is 1/2. This is, remember, you're finding the area of the base times the height. So the area of base is a triangle, so it's 1/2. The height of my triangle. So let me get a different color here. The height of this triangle here is 7. The reason why you know is because you use 5 for this section and then this section is 12, so you take it away. So it's 7 and then another 7 because it's going across. And then I also have to do my height. So 1/2 of the base times the height times the width, which is 15. Oof. Okay, so I think we're good to go. So now I got to do all these pieces. So I'm going to add up all of these pieces together. So I'm going to just try and do it all at once. So I got 30 is the 6 times 5 times 15 plus 150 times 12. That's the blue, the dark blue. I have plus 35 times 15. And then add on 49 times 1/2 times 15. So this should be the total. 814,305. 814,305. It's a big pool. Okay, hopefully we didn't mess up any calculations. Okay, part B says Mateo's family needs to install a protective liner to cover the walls and the flat base of the deep end of the pool. How much liner is required to cover the deep end of the pool in square feet? So this is the dark blue section from our picture. So to do the surface area, I have two of the same rectangles. I have the front, which is the 10 times 12. 10 times 12. And I have two of those because there's a front and a back. Okay. And then I have four rectangles that go top, bottom, left, and right. And those ones are 12 by 15. So I have four of the 12 by 15 ones going all the way around the rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, actually pause that because we do not have a liner for one of the sides because there's a slant. So on this edge here, there's no liner there. Okay. Cover the walls and the flat base. Okay, so there's no top either. Cover the deep end. Yep, no top either. So we only have one of the 10 by 12s and three of the 12 by 15s. So I think that that's right. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it. So I got 120 plus 3 times 12 times 15. Okay, let's see if 22,000 is even on here. Woof, nope. Cover the walls and the flat base. So oh, I looked at it wrong. Our drawing is so crowded that I looked at it wrong. So the bottom is not 10 by 12. It's 10 by 15 because it's here and then here. And then I have 12 by 15. I have three of those. Cover the walls and the flat base. I think that that's right. I think that so let's see if we can get it. So 150 for the bottom plus 3 walls. Let me look at the picture one more time. So the bottom is 10 by, and then, oh, it should be 12. It's not a 15, it's a 10. Okay, let's try that. Oof, let's see if it works. I need to really erase that picture. Nope. Okay, we're just going to skip it. There are some errors in this book, so we're going to go ahead and just skip that one.